In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play against friends here in Subway Surfers. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to challenge your friends here in Subway Surfers and compete for the highest score, here's exactly how you can do this. Firstly, once you're into Subway Surfers, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the settings icon up in the top right corner. From here, you can either choose to connect to Facebook, Game Center, or even sign in with Apple. It's completely up to you what you would like. A lot of people use Facebook though, just because you get extra rewards. Now, once you're connected, I would give it a few seconds just to sync to your account. And now, when you return to your game, there's going to be this option that says Top Run right below your high score. If you click on that, just like so, you'll see your friend scores from Facebook. And now you're able to try and beat their high scores and stay on top of this leaderboard. This is a great way to turn Subway Surfers into a little bit of a friendly competition and keep challenging each other every single week. That being said, if this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and of course, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.